Ashley from Antipesto Pest Control. I'm going to show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. And what you need is 1 cup of methylated spirits, you can use isopropyl alcohol, but methylated spirits is easy to get your hands on at the moment. 2 teaspoons of glycerin, which is available from Coles in the health food section usually. The glycerin softens your hands and stops them from drying out. And you also need a teaspoon of essential oils such as tea tree oil or lavender oil. I like tea tree oil, it has antibacterial properties. I also like to do a little bit more than a teaspoon just because I like the smell. There you have it, your very own hand sanitizer. Just be sure to mix it well and you're set to go.